Slim your hips, thighs, and legs. Beginner's Guide. Hey there, beautiful. Ready to sculpt those hips, thighs, and legs? This workout is designed just for you, a beginner looking to tone and slim down. We'll focus on effective exercises with modifications to suit your current fitness level. Remember, proper form is key to preventing injuries and maximizing results. Let's get started. Let's start with squats, a fantastic exercise for your lower body. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your back straight and chest up. Aim for a depth where your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as you comfortably can. If you're new to squats, try chair squats. Place a chair behind you and gently tap your glutes to the seat before standing back up. Focus on engaging your glutes and core throughout the movement. Imagine squeezing your glutes as you stand back up. Squats primarily target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, making them a powerhouse exercise. As you get stronger, you can increase the depth of your squat. Eventually, you can progress to bodyweight squats and even add weight using dumbbells or a barbell. But for now, let's master the basic form. Next up, we have lunges, another amazing exercise for your legs and glutes. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee stays behind your toes and your back knee doesn't touch the ground. Push off with your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. If lunges feel too challenging, shorten your step. You can also hold on to a chair for balance. Focus on maintaining your balance and keeping that 90-degree angle in both knees. Engage your core to help stabilize your body. Lunges target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, and they also improve your balance and coordination. As you get stronger, you can increase the length of your step. You can also add weight by holding dumbbells in each hand. Remember to keep your core engaged and maintain proper form. Now let's move on to glute bridges, a fantastic exercise for targeting your glutes and hamstrings. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. Lower your hips back down and repeat. If you're new to glute bridges, focus on simply squeezing your glutes as you lift your hips. Don't worry about lifting too high at first. Focus on maintaining a straight line from your shoulders to your knees at the top of the movement. This ensures you're properly engaging your glutes. Glute bridges are a great way to strengthen your glutes and hamstrings, which are essential for a toned lower body. As you get stronger, you can progress to single-leg glute bridges. You can also add weight by placing a weight plate on your hips. Remember to keep your core engaged and maintain proper form. Finally, let's work those calf muscles with calf raises. Stand with your feet flat on the ground. Raise up onto your toes, feeling the contraction in your calf muscles. Lower back down and repeat. If you're having trouble balancing, hold on to a wall or chair for support. Focus on controlled movements. Calf raises are a simple yet effective way to tone and strengthen your calf muscles. You can do them anywhere, anytime. So there you have it, a beginner-friendly workout to slim your hips, thighs, and legs. These exercises target all the major muscle groups in your lower body. Remember, consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but with regular exercise, you'll notice improved muscle tone and increased strength. Set realistic expectations for yourself. Focus on progress, not perfection. Before you start any workout, it's important to warm up your muscles. Try some light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks. Dynamic stretching, such as leg swings and arm circles, is also a great way to prepare your body for exercise. After your workout, cool down with static stretching. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on the muscles you just worked. Always listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself too hard. If you experience any pain, stop the exercise immediately. Proper breathing is also crucial during exercise. Inhale before you begin the movement and exhale during the exertion. For beginners, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the number of sets and reps. Remember, exercise is only one piece of the puzzle. A healthy diet and overall lifestyle are also essential for achieving your desired results. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods and staying hydrated. Get enough sleep and manage your stress levels. You've got this.